In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll share a few tips to keep you safe and confident while you clean up your database. A quick heads up before we start: bulk deletion is permanent. Deleted profiles are removed from your account and can't be recovered, so make sure you truly want them gone. If you need a record, consider exporting a copy of the list or segment first, and ensure you have the proper permissions in your account. Let's begin inside your Klaviyo dashboard. Open Settings, then choose Other, and click Profile Maintenance. This section is designed specifically for large-scale profile actions, so it's the right place to do a clean and controlled bulk deletion without touching individual profiles one by one. Next, you'll choose exactly who you want to remove. In Profile Maintenance, use the drop-down labeled Select a List to delete. From here, pick an existing list or segment, such as Email List, Engaged, 30 Days, or New Subscribers. A quick clarification helps here. Lists are static collections that you manually add people to, while segments are dynamic groups that update automatically based on rules you've set. Regardless of whether you choose a list or a segment, the profiles included at the time you run the deletion are the ones that will be removed. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct group, double-check the profile count, and, if needed, preview the list or segment so there are no surprises. When you're ready, click Delete People. Klaviyo will typically present a summary or warning so you understand the scope of what you're about to do. Read it carefully. This is your final checkpoint to ensure you're targeting the right audience. Now, confirm the deletion. Follow the on-screen prompt to approve the action. In some cases, you may be asked to acknowledge the change or type a short confirmation. Once you confirm, Klaviyo will begin removing those profiles from your account. For small groups, this often finishes quickly. For larger groups, it may take a little time, and you can continue working while it processes in the background. When the process completes, your selected profiles will be fully removed. If you maintain automations or forms that could re-add these users, consider reviewing those settings afterward to keep your database clean going forward. And that's it. You've bulk deleted profiles in Klaviyo quickly and safely using profile maintenance. Thanks for watching.